What's good, BFM? This is Bigtone coming at you from Bigtone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're going to do something very quick, very fast and easy, especially dedicated to moms and dads that come home from work and they got to get something on the table quick. This is the meal for you. So we're going to do Italian sausage, peppers, and onions in a tomato sauce over a bed of rice. So basically just Italian sausage, peppers, and onions, but we're doing it in tomato sauce and we're doing this in a pressure cooker. So guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some sausage, peppers, and onions. The ingredients here in the supporting cast is, of course, you gotta have the Italian sausage. I got 2 packages of Italian sausage here. And I got the mild kind. You can use the hot, you can use the sweet if you like. It's totally up to you. Then I got some rainbow bell peppers, the red, yellow, and the orange. And underneath here, you can't see it, but I got some onion cut up, about 1 whole onion. So those are the main ingredients there that's gonna go in the pressure cooker. Seasoning, got some basil, some leaf oregano, some pink Himalayan sea salt, some black pepper, cracked black pepper, some minced garlic. Don't leave home without it. And you can make your own if you want. Any kind of pasta sauce. This happens to be the Prego, which is my favorite. But I'm cheating by using the pre-store ball. But you can make your own if you wish. Just takes a little bit more time. That's the supporting cast, guys. So let's get started putting it together. I wanted to feature the Still Made USA grill. You can do this in a frying pan. You can do this even in the pressure cooker all at one time. I just happen to want to do it on the Still Made. So I'm going to brown off my Italian sausage here on the Still Made USA griddle. If you guys want one of these, go to my link in the description and use Bigtone as your product code when you check out. You'll get 10% off. I love this griddle. It rarely ever leaves my stovetop. But we're just going to put these on here. We're going to get some color on them because the pressure cooker is going to basically just steam the peppers. But we're going to get some color here and sear them off real quick. So I got those on. It's going to take a few minutes to do that. I'll show you the process as we're going. Guys, so as you can see, I flipped my Italian sausage over here. I'm getting some color on it, nice color. Now keep in mind these are not cooked, so all the way we're just getting some color and a sear on them. So I'm going to do the other side of them and I kind of turn them around and then we're going to go to the pressure cooker. So they're done searing here. We're basically just going to move these to the center of the grill and come over. Look at that, nice color on them. That's why I like the Still Made. I can get that color and sear things quickly and I can do a lot of them at a time. So we're going to go over the pressure cooker now and get that started. So we're going to add a little bit of cooking oil to this. And we're going to add about a 1/2 cup or 3/4 cup of water. Remember, the pressure cooker requires 1 cup of liquid to cook anything, and that's to be safe. Alright, so got my water in there. Next thing we're going to add is our peppers and onions. We're going to stir that around in there real good, like that. And we're going to season those up a little bit. You always got to season your vegetables. Some pink Himalayan sea salt. Forgive my hands, sorry. Some fresh cracked black pepper. We're gonna do about a tablespoon of minced garlic in here. And then we're gonna add our peppers to here. Big dummy. Put them right on top. Alrighty, so we got our peppers in there. The next thing we're gonna add is our pasta sauce. Like I said, you can use whatever kind you want. I'm using Prego. Make sure I get it all out. This costs too much. Wasting. Alright, so on top of that Prego, gonna put in a little bit of basil here. Spicing that up a little bit. And we're going to put in a little bit of leaf oregano. Alright. So all in all, I've put in about 12, maybe 12 to 14 ounces of liquid in here. Plenty enough to cook it. It only requires 8 ounces, so it's plenty enough to cook it. Anyway, so the next thing we're going to do, very simple, we're going to place the top on here. Well, if I can do it the right way, we're going to place the top on it. There we go. If you guys are watching my other videos, very simple. It's going to line the line up in the arrow of the pressure cooker, just like that. Let me get you a shot of the front. This is a very simple one. It only takes 10 minutes to cook this down. So we're going to simply use the soup stew button here. We're just going to click it one time. It defaults to 10 minutes. Let me increase this to high. Bring it back down to the 10 minutes. It's going to go around and around just like that. And we're just going to wait for the 10 minutes. We'll be back with some Italian sausage and peppers. It's been 10 minutes. The peppers and onions and sausage, I've already released the pressure, so they've come. Oh my God, this is gonna be good. They look wonderful. So as you can see yourself, I'm gonna plate this up for you. Give me a few minutes. Easy, quick weeknight meal. Italian sausage, peppers, and onions over top of better rice. You know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Looks good, boy. Ooh, I can't wait. All right, here you guys go. Italian sausage, peppers, and onions over better rice. Let me get that bite, guys. Oh my God, so tender. Let me get a little bit of rice with that. Oh man. Oh my God, guys. To be so quick and easy, your family's gonna think you slaved over this for hours. If you want one of those still-made USA griddles, just go to the link down below in the description. Use Bigtone as your checkout code, you get 10% off. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, this is Bigtone signing off. Peace.